Put condensed milk in boiling water and be surprised by the result. In a pan with 250 ml of boiling water, add 14 ounces of condensed milk. Then stir until it dissolves well. Once done, transfer the mixture to a bowl. Add a bit of salt, an egg. Then, with the help of a whisk, stir constantly so that the egg does not cook. A spoon of coffee oil. 1 cup of wheat flour, sifted. Add it little by little and stir. Mix very well. So, are you curious to know what will come out of this recipe? Stay until the end. The result is wonderful and very easy to do. In another pan with low heat, the lowest heat you can. I'm going to use a brush to grease our pan with oil. Before adding our mixture to the pan, stir it a little. Now, I'm going to add a ladle full. After browning one side, turn to brown the other. I'm really looking forward to what's to come. Let's turn it into another pancake. Friends, this recipe uses few ingredients and yields a lot. After frying all the pasta in the pan, let's fill them. I prepared a delicious ganache here. I'll add a spoon and spread it evenly, remembering that the filling can be whatever you prefer. Blueberry to taste. This little fruit is wonderful and goes great with this recipe. Take it from me, you'll be fine. Let's roll the pancakes carefully. I've already rolled most of them up. I'll add on top of them ganache, grated natural coconut, blueberry. I'm going to cut a piece so we can try it together. Look how delicious! This recipe is really worth making. Friends, this combination was sensational. Just look at this stuffing. Do it in your home. A kiss.